one of my customers asked us to show them how to do gamma horizon call recording, how to demonstrate it and access calls, set up users for call recording, archive, retrieve, and so on. So this is what I'm doing. So this is where we logged into our Horizon admin portal, and we can see the users that are set up for call recording. You can set up users very easily going into the user profile. So if we want to view some calls, we can see there's only 2 users here that can record calls currently. We can record a percentage of calls, or we can record all calls, and we can set up on-demand call recording if that's what the customer wants. So here we can view calls made by Nick Brandon, which is me. So we can put in our start date. So we'll go back to the 1st of October, and we can just look at inbound, for example, or outbound, and then we can just hit search. And here we can see the outbound calls that have been made. So if we just click this one here, we can then download that particular call. Hit download. We can save that to our desktop, and then we can open the call if we just want to see it quickly. Play it back.
Please note, all of our calls are recorded for monitoring and training purposes.
So here it has the outbound telephone number.
Gamma. We have some options
and
for
the
you
destination
to
number.
To make sure that you get to the right team. So please
Obviously,
listen to all of them before
move
making
it
your
forward if we want to.
They've got on site, and then.
So that just uses the normal media player that you use on your computer. So if we go back to the Horizon admin portal, we can do a few more things here. We can look at who's set up for call recording. We can go into advanced call recording. So here we can search for the users here. So we can search for users by name. So let's search for Nick, select. Here we got Nick, select. And then again, we can do something similar. We can search by date. We can look at both inbound and outbound calls. So we get a bit more retrieval possibilities here. And there we can see all the calls that have been made, and we can click them all. We can search through certain calls if we want to. And what we can do also, we can download all the calls in bulk. So we can look at the start date, end date, and then do a bulk download, which would then download all the calls to a zip file, and we can then archive them. If we want to, we can go into call recording settings, and that takes us back down to our settings per user, which is where we can go into the individual profiles and set them up. So here we can just go into Nick Brandon. You can see that he's having 100% of his calls recorded at the moment. Some of the users don't have any recording set up. The recording, by the way, you only pay for what you use in terms of storage on the system. So you don't pay per user. You just switch the users on and off as you want to. And then you can have files auto-deleted after a preset number of months, normally defaulted to 3 months. So that's pretty much it, really. If you want any more details, you can visit our website, which is techwork.co.uk. That's www.tecwork.co.uk. You can email us at helpme@techwork.co.uk. You can call us on 01892 578 666.